Most people get this wrong when they need help from Albert customer service. They search random phone numbers online and end up wasting time or contacting the wrong place. Here's the truth no one tells you. The fastest way to reach support often depends on the type of issue you're having. In this video, I'll show you how to contact Albert customer service in 2026. The support options you should check first, and how to increase your chances of getting help quickly. Let's get straight to it. The easiest place to start is inside the Albert app itself. Open the app and look for the Help, Support, or Contact Us section. Most account-related issues can be handled through the built-in support tools, which are designed specifically for Albert users. If you're logged into your account, this method is usually faster, because support representatives can more easily identify your account and understand your issue. For example, Alex needed help with a transaction question. Instead of searching online, he used the support section in the app and was able to submit his request directly. But here's the problem. Many people contact support without gathering the information they'll need. This is where most people fail. Before reaching out, make sure you have relevant details ready. This may include your account email, transaction dates, error messages, or screenshots. Providing accurate information can help reduce back-and-forth communication and speed up the process. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not every issue requires contacting customer service. Some common questions can often be answered through the app's Help Center, AAQ section, or support articles. In a minute, I'll show you a simple tip that can save you a lot of time. If you're experiencing login problems, payment issues, or app errors, check whether the app is fully updated and verify your internet connection before contacting support. Sometimes the issue can be resolved immediately without waiting for a response. For example, John thought his account had a serious problem. After updating the app, the issue disappeared without needing customer service at all. Now for the time-saving tip. When contacting support, be specific. Instead of writing "my app doesn't work," explain exactly what happens. Mention any error messages, when the issue started, and what troubleshooting steps you've already tried. Clear information often leads to faster and more accurate assistance. Remember that response times can vary depending on support volume and the complexity of your issue. Patience and detailed information usually produce the best results. To recap, start with the support section inside the Albert app, prepare your account information, check the Help Center for common answers, and provide clear details when contacting support. If this guide helped you understand how to reach Albert customer service, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment below with your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.